So you're looking to get started making videos for YouTube or Twitch, but you don't have a webcam and you can't really fork over the cash to get one, or at least a decent one that you want to use for your streams. So what do you do? What's going on, everybody? My name is Jekyll. Welcome back to Jekyll Plays. We're going to take a look at something that I have tested a couple of times. I think it's really cool. Best part about this is it's a free way to use your smartphone as a webcam when you're using it for recording videos, doing a stream, anything like that. It's really neat. Let's slide over to my desktop, but first beautiful coffee. Anyway, if you go to two places, you need two things, because you need the app on your phone to control the camera, and then you need, well, three things, I suppose. You need the app on your phone. I'm assuming a couple of things here, that you have a phone, right? Which most people do, and if you are getting into something like this, chances are that's not a big ask. You have a phone, you have a USB cable for it to plug up to your computer, and then you also have your computer, which you will need. You'll need an app for your phone, and then you'll need an app for your computer. Slide over to the desktop. All right, go to Iriun.com, IRIUN.com. It's a very cool, very basic and simple website. And I did notice one thing, kind of side note, all the way on the bottom, they have VR where you can use your phone on a cheap headset to play Steam games. So I'm going to check that out in another video. I think that's really cool. But what we want is the webcam. This is super open, by the way. You can use it for Windows, Mac, Ubuntu, which is really cool. And then the mobile app is good for Android and iPhone, which makes sense. They don't want to alienate any of the users. They've done a really good job with it. Click the download to get the installer for whatever operating system you have. And then on your phone, go into the App Store. I'll put up a screenshot. Go to the App Store, get you the Iriun Webcam app. It is also free there. Install that. All right, now what you're going to do once you have the app installed on your phone, go ahead and click Open. And it's going to say it's waiting for the connection. No Wi-Fi found, or you can use a USB cable. Good thing about this is it does take Wi-Fi to connect to your computer. I recommend using the cable because you get a much more stable connection doing that. And then since I already have it installed, I am just going to go here, Iriun Webcam, boom. This is what it looks like. It's very simple, nothing you really need to worry about. And take your cable, plug everything in. All right, so you can see in the Iriun app, it's now viewing what's on my phone. Very cool, very fast, and it's free. Another thing is, once you have it connected, you have the video format down here. You can choose the resolution you want up to the highest resolution of your camera. It doesn't cap you at like 720 for the free app. It doesn't cap you at all. So you can use this. And once you have it connected, I'm going to leave it at 1080 because I don't need it anything more. Minimize that. Let's bring OBS over so you can see what I'm doing. When you're ready to add it, let's go ahead and get rid of it for now. go into OBS, click the add button, and go to video capture device. Name it what you want. We'll call it Iriun so I know what it is. Hit OK. Iriun webcam. Came right up. If it doesn't automatically come up, you can just select it from your list here in the drop down. Don't mess with any of this other stuff because you won't need it. Hit OK. And there we go. We have a fully functioning webcam using my smartphone's camera, and it's a high quality camera too. So if I extend this, it looks good, right? Maybe not quite as good as that one, but it still looks good. Look at that. Handsome fella. I like it. That's it. That's as simple as it goes. I don't have an iPhone to show you, but this is what it looks like when you set up your phone with a free app to use as a webcam for your streams and videos. Now there is, let me shut this part down. Move you back out of the way. Oh, there we go. And now there is a paid version. You can pay for a premium software for this. What that does is every so often on the free you'll get a pop-up. It's usually right around here, I think. It'll just say Iriun.com. It's a watermark, but it's not a constant watermark, which is nice. You don't really have to worry about there always being that, but if you're clever with the way that you kind of crop your video, you can cut that out. You didn't hear that from me though. But yeah, it's like $4.99 I think for the premium version. And where's it at? Let me see. So if you upgrade to the Pro version, it's $4.49, which is not bad. I'll show you a screenshot of that as well. And it takes away the watermark. You honestly don't need it because it works great on its own and it's free. Who doesn't want free? Am I right? Anyway, that's how you can get started using your smartphone for free as a webcam for your videos and streams. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. It was a little shorty. You know, what's this? 8 minutes? 10 minutes? Something like that. Little shorty, but I thought it was good information, something cool. And I don't really fluff things up all that much. So, quick 6 to 10 minute video for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like. Subscribe if you have not, so if you want to see more videos of mine in the future. That really helps. And share with your friends. It's the best way to help the channel grow, because that's what we really want, is to create a growth, a community, have some fun playing games, looking at cool technologies, and just hanging out, because that's what I love to do. And I'm going to start doing some streams again here on the channel. Not sure if I'm going to move streams over to Twitch. I'm not sure. I kind of like keeping everything in one place, but YouTube's streaming is really limited. But what are you going to do, right? Anyway, thanks. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. I'll see you soon. Bye.